Welcome to Kanai's AI Lab, where AI transforms ideas into reality in just seconds. Here's a quick demo of DesignGPT, an AI tool that can design complete websites from a simple text prompt. Today, we're creating a web page for a football tournament, specifically a 7S one-night football event. First, let's open DesignGPT using this link. This is the landing page. Now, I'm providing all the event details, including prize information and tournament requirements. My prompt is, create design for a football tournament for 7S, one-night event, free entry, with 10K first prize, 5K second prize, and individual prizes. Make it colorful and engaging. Let's submit the prompt and wait a few seconds. DesignGPT now asks for an image generation option. This time, I'm selecting Doll and allowing access to the image generation service. And that's it. Within seconds, DesignGPT creates a complete, visually appealing football tournament web page with banners, event information, prize details, and engaging design elements. Let's open the generated web page and take a look. Simple, fast, and incredibly effective, no coding required. Of course, this is just the starting point. With advanced prompting, the web page can be made even more dynamic and professional by adding features such as online registration forms, match schedules, live score updates, sponsor sections, image galleries, social media integration, and custom branding. Thanks for watching Kanai's AI Lab. Stay tuned for more exciting AI tools, productivity hacks, and real-world AI demos. See you in the next video.